I'm not going to redraw the graph from number 7. I'm just expecting that you are looking at your graph for number 7 as we go here. And I will just list the key features because that's really what it comes down to when writing this function is putting the key features in the function. So I have x-intercepts at x equals -3 and x equals 6. So in my function, I need an x plus 3 and an x minus 6. That is going to give me those x-intercepts that I need. I also notice that I have VAs, vertical asymptotes. It looks like at x equals 4 and x equals 1. So I need to include those, x minus 4, x minus 1. I also have a hole at x equals 3, and for my purposes, it doesn't matter what the y value is as long as I know that the hole is at x equals 3, because I can put a factor that's going to cause that, which would be x minus 3 over x minus 3. Okay, so I have most of the key features. The last thing that's kind of hard to see is that there is a horizontal asymptote, and if we look closely, it appears to be at 2. On the right side of the graph, we can see that green graph. It's just like creeping up, and then it hits 2, and it starts to flatten out. So in order to make that happen, well, we already have degree 3 over degree 3. So we have comparable size on top and bottom that will cancel out at infinity. So at infinity, if we want it to approach 2, we just have to throw a 2 out front. And now we have all of the key features included, which is going to naturally create the shape of that graph on the page.